We'll guide you through how to curve text in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. After the application launches, go to the Project panel where your media files are stored. From this panel, drag the media clip directly onto the timeline to create or place it in a sequence where you want to add text. Once the clip is visible in the timeline, press T on the keyboard to activate the Type tool, which allows you to create text directly on the video frame. Next, click on the program monitor, then type the text you want to add to the video. The text will appear on top of the video clip in your sequence. After typing the text, switch back to the selection tool so you can adjust the text settings and modify its appearance. Now move to the Properties panel located on the left side of the interface. This panel provides several controls that allow you to customize the look of the text. If needed, change the font type according to your preference. For example, you can select Poppins as the font style to give the text a modern appearance. After selecting the font, adjust the font size according to your design needs so the text appears clearly and remains readable on the screen. Continue scrolling down in the Properties panel until you find the Appearance section. If you want the text to stand out more, enable the Stroke option in the Stroke section to add an outline around the text. If necessary, click on the Stroke Color box. Change the stroke color according to your preference, then click OK to apply the color change. You can also adjust the stroke width to control how thick the outline appears based on your design needs. Next, go to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Wave Warp to find the effect. Drag the Wave Warp effect onto the text layer in the timeline. Then go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the effect settings. Scroll down until you find the Wave Warp section. Change the wave height according to your needs. For example, set it to 500. Adjust the wave width according to your preference to control the curve distance. Set the wave speed to 0 so the text remains static. The text will now appear curved on the screen. If you want to curve it in the opposite direction, change the wave height to -500. Review the curved text in the program monitor to ensure the effect appears as expected.